Did you know that your smartphone actually has more video recording power than the systems they used in Hollywood not all that long ago? It's an amazing device, and you can actually record, edit, and publish from your phone without ever having to go to a computer, which is a huge time savings and efficiency. Hi, I'm Robert Arnot, the Video Wizard, and today I want to introduce you to my favorite editor in the record, edit, and publish workflow. My favorite editor is VN Video Editor, and I want to take some time to just show you one of the main features of it, which is the auto-captioning. And in order to be able to do that, I'm going to actually change screens to where you can see me, and you'll notice that the screen on the right is my active phone screen, and that's what this connection is. I've actually got the smartphone acting like a video monitor going into my recording system. So let's look at the VN editor. Before we dive in, I do want to make one point about a different mobile editing app called CapCut, which is here. CapCut is an amazing and popular mobile video editing app, but it has a concern. In order to be able to really use it to the full potential that we'd like to, you have a subscription, and VN doesn't have that. And CapCut is tied in with TikTok. It's the same mother company, and the idea that TikTok may be banned is not completely over with yet. And so we might find that CapCut's not available. And so anyways, I really like VN, and it is an amazing and popular editing app for a phone. Let's open the VN Editor app by pressing on the icon, and you'll see it opens up. And this is the home screen, and I'll just quickly note that at the top, there's always a little advertisement bar, and that's partly why you don't have to pay a subscription. And also, that advertisement is only in the home screen, okay? So what I'm going to be doing here from the home screen is on the lower right, I want to go and I want to create a new project, which is by hitting the plus sign. And then when I do new project, I'm going to have a whole collection of files that I've created on the left-hand side here. And so I have one that I'm going to scroll down, and I know that it's called VN demo file, okay, for all of the videos I have in my camera roll. This is the one I want to use for this demonstration of auto-captioning. So I'm going to tap on it, and I'm going to tap next to it and to make the check mark show up. And so then that means it's been selected to be included in the new project. And if I tap the lower right-hand corner arrow, it opens up a video, and there I am, okay? If I press the little play button right here, do you get nervous on camera? Here's a quick mindset shift. You can see that it's operating. And by the way in VN to get back to the start is the right-hand arrow key takes you to the end and then back to the start. Okay, so now we have a new project. We have a video loaded into it, and I want to show you how to use the auto-captioning. Okay, there's so much more, but those are for future videos, all right? So down in the bottom, if we scroll over, there's a lot of different things that are available, and the one right here that says Auto Captions, I'm going to tap it, and it's going to give me a choice of conversions really quick, just for your information. Conversion mode, I have really quick, which is called tiny. There is one that uses the computer of the phone, which is the base, and I use it, versus cloud-based. Cloud-based is you have to pay a super small amount of money, but I've found that it doesn't make any better of speech to text, because what's happening here is it is actually going and it is going to read the audio in the computer and change it into words. It's called speech to text. Okay, so I'm going to hit convert, and it's processing, as you can see. Okay, so you see how there's too many words stacked on top of each other in that caption? And so that's one thing that needs to be done, is to come in here to the editor, and I'm going to be able to use the little magnifying glass. And what I'm doing is I'm breaking up these sentences. And so I'm in that third sentence, and if I hit split, you see how that made it into two different segments? And then the same could be true for down here, where I go right after place and I hit split, and then it's like that will make the words more in different sections. Okay, so let's see how that looks now. Do you get nervous on camera? Here's a quick mindset shift. Before you hit record, ask yourself, what do I love? So maybe I'd like it to be a little different look. And so I'm going to come back, and right where there's that one, I think if we tap and expand the box, just like you do when you're working with other programs, and then what if we wanted to make our font have a background color? We could actually go over here and tap background right here. And maybe that background could be black, just as an example. But let's now go and hit select, and select back again, and come back to the start. And do you get nervous on camera? Here's a quick mindset shift. Before you hit record, ask yourself, what do I love about the work I do? After you've completed editing the captions, then you can come over back on the project screen, tap on the three dots, and you can rename it if you want, but I'm just going to leave it titled, Do You Get Nervous on Camera? Maybe that should be good. So then now we have a new project in VN Editor, and I'm going to close that now. Okay, so you closed the VN Editor when you were needing to put it aside, and if you want to pick up that project again and work on it, all you got to do is tap on the icon. It'll open up your projects page, find the one you want to work on, which was this Do You Get Nervous on Camera file. I'm going to press that, and there is the file just waiting for further work. I hope that this simple explanation and demonstration of what VN Editor can do is enough to really get you interested in doing that type of work on your phone. And when you do finish, each time, be sure in the top right of your screen to hit the little icon that looks like a floppy disk, the save icon, and that'll help you, it'll save it, and then you can actually then just back out. I'm Robert Arnot, the Video Wizard, and thanks for watching. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the Camera Attraction YouTube channel. And for this video, give it a like, a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell so you'll be sure to see our new ones when they come out.